Ed and I met through a co-worker. I worked for the telephone company, and she had known Ed and said, I think you would enjoy meeting him, and introduced us.
I worked at my company. It was then called Potomac Chemicals.
He retained the pool segment of the business while I developed the casual furniture. And it started initially from contract furniture for community pools, hotels, motels.
In 1950-51, the Washington area really grew because of the builders coming in, building subdivisions.
Our business, located in Falls Church, was fairly near quite a few residential places, Lake Barcroft for one, which had many private pools being built. And they'd come in and get chemicals and then see the furniture and say, gee, if you only had anything better looking, we'd like to buy it. And that was when Ed came home one day and said, I think we need to do this. After we'd gone to Chicago and made our purchases, we really hadn't thought about where we were going to put it. And there wasn't enough room where Ed was doing his business, so we had, when he built the building, he did an upstairs that he could rent to help make the payments on the building. And the rentals were just about up, and so we decided, well, why not? So we hung our sign at the back door, and people had to go up the back steps. And after a few years, our CPA went to Ed and said, wow, look what Marie's doing up the back steps. Don't you think she could do something better on the first floor? So again, we tore up the building, and I moved downstairs and he moved upstairs.
Well, that was okay because I think we both wanted to grow, and that was the opportunity to do that.
We were outgrowing our warehouse space, and renting warehouse space became costly, so we decided the best thing to do would be to build a warehouse. And we found a space in Manassas and built a warehouse, and then decided that we had all this space that we should have a retail there, and then added a clearance center, which really worked out very well. And then after that, we began to look for a location on the other side of the river in Maryland. So we ended up with 3 locations. We did have our children work with us. Our son was in the pool side and contract furniture side, and my daughter worked in the office, and she's highly organized, and she started us in with the computer. I think that when you're on a dealer council, and I was on most of the major manufacturers throughout the years. Of course, I have a thing for fabric and color, and so it was always exciting to be a part of selection of fabrics to come. Of course, they always had to work a year or 2 in advance, so it was great fun to know what was coming down the road. And I think it was an honor.
She had an influence, and she was well respected.
I love the industry. The people are just magnificent. Made many, many friends, and it's been a great ride.